Hello, my name is Brenda and I am part of the More Than Medicare team here at Ritter. This is Harry Ritter. He is also part of the More Than Medicare team, and we'd like to talk to you today about final expense.
Let's get started.
Final expense is a product that's easy to add to your portfolio. It's a simple product to learn. It's low face amounts, low premiums, simplified underwriting, and it's very complementary to the Medicare products that you're already offering to your clients. Your target market is pretty much the same. Low to middle class seniors ages 50 and up.
Oh, by the way, Brenda, did you realize that a lot of these carriers offer simplified products up to $100,000, and you can actually use them for juvenile policies or for younger couples that are looking to complement insurance that they already have, or maybe just people that are looking to plan for the future and be able to get better rates at a younger, healthier age.
It's an excellent point, Harry. One of the most difficult parts of selling final expense is the presentation. Sometimes agents find it difficult to have that funeral planning conversation with our clients or new prospects. So during the month of April, we'll be giving you ideas on how to perfect your presentation, brand yourself as a final expense expert, and master the art of storytelling.
Oh, by the way, Brenda, let's not reinvent the wheel. We have other programs like marketing programs that are available to the agent. These programs also have special items in them like travel and funeral expense services, final planning type services. These types of programs will help close the deal with a client.
That's right, Harry. There are several different marketing programs that are available to help an agent perfect their presentation. We will also discuss ways to gather the information that is needed from your client, such as a funeral planning worksheet or a client profile form. Ritter has developed what we call a fact finder to help gather this information. On it, you'll gather information on the client's health profile, their medications, and even financial information to help determine which final expense plan is right for your client.
Oh, by the way, Brenda, I think rather than just use the Ritter Fact Finder for a funeral discussion, we really ought to use it for making sure that the agent is able to get the client to understand that they're more than a customer, that they're really a lifelong client. And next month we'll show you how.
Another topic that we'll fully explore is the underwriting process for final expense. Final expense plans are always a simplified issue, and once you as the agent understand how a tiered application works, you'll be able to very easily place the client into the right plan for them. We'll also talk about those uninsurable conditions such as a recent heart attack or stroke, current cancer, or a client that you have that cannot perform all of the current activities of daily living.
Brenda, don't forget that these guaranteed issue final expense plans also will cover all of those uninsurable conditions. In addition, they'll also be able to give you riders that are built in that will have chronic illness riders or accelerated death benefits. These types of riders will help solidify the sale of those final expense plans.
We'll also review modified, graded, and level death benefit plans and which clients are appropriate for each of these ratings. We'll talk about the riders that are available on all of these plans, such as accelerated death benefit riders, critical and chronic illness riders, and even term riders for spouses and children.
Brenda, did you realize that some of these carriers also offer non-smoking rates to smokers? In addition to that, in some cases, they'll actually even give you a non-smoking rate for people that use tobacco products, if you smoke a cigar, if you vape, if you're using tobacco chew. So there are special areas that we can explore further next month.
As you can see, there are many ways to think outside the box when it comes to selling final expense. And we're going to explore all of these topics throughout the month of April, beginning on April 10th with our Final Expense 101 training webinar. This webinar is intended for agents who've never sold final expense before, and we'll go through all of the product details. Following that, on April 18th, we're going to have our Oh By the Way webinar, where we'll discuss all of the non-traditional ways that you can sell final expense.
Oh, by the way, Brenda, in May, we're going to be introducing an agent guide and a 4-part training session that will help agents understand and have that positive conversation with their clients on final expense. Be on the lookout for registration in the near future. In addition, we'll be offering to those agents that attend our April webinar a sneak peek at our agent sales guide. You won't want to miss it. If you have any questions or want to learn more about final expense, you can contact me, Harry Ritter.
Or me, Brenda Salyer, here at Ritter Insurance Marketing.
Just click the link in the description below, and we hope to hear from you soon.